Hello folks, Sam Owens here, and we have another VEVOR product, and this time it is these ratchet straps. Yes, they're 1 inch wide and 6 foot long, and also they have a retracting mechanism that allows it in the stored position. All of the 6 foot tie strap is in these wound up in there. There's a spring in here that'll automatically wind it up. Now it's in the retract position that allows it to freely operate. This is so much easier than dealing with straps that are loose. They get tangled, and this is tangle proof. I mean, it's really ready to go, and it's got these safety clips here. Now here's the thing about this that I see right away is right here you cannot slide this over and have this to lock. All it does is allows it to get like that. If you wanted, you can take these off. One is long and goes into a hole, the other is short. You just have to take a pair of vice grips, and you should put it on a vice to pry this out, and it doesn't destroy them. It just allows you to unhook them from the holes and take this off if it works better, because that right there is supposed to be a lock that would allow it, once it's in there, to not come out. But you can't get it locked on some things. That would only work on something that would pass by that right there. Just pointing that out. I may take mine off so that I can freely hook it onto things without getting restricted. Okay, with that said, we want to show you the operation on the bench of the ratchet straps, and then we'll go over to the to a place where I have a demonstration set up that we can actually show you the operation. You also get 4 of these soft straps that allow you to hook around something like motorcycle handlebars. You don't want to put these right across the handlebar, and a lot of times they won't fit. This allows you to strap to things that you can't get this hook around. Different sizes and stuff like that. And what you can do is like this, and then you can slip this over like this. Right there. Okay, and so you can use the strap when you need, this doesn't fit. All right, now the other thing is, how does the straps work? And you're going to see information in the upper right hand corner of the video having details and specs about the product that may be helpful. Right here is in the retractable position that you would do your strapping, when this is down like that all the way. And then when you get it to the point you want, and this will be easier to see, let me just hook it over here over something. Okay, let's just say you got it hooked like that. I got it hooked to the vise, and now this is hooked on. What you do is pull this up to that position, and now it's locked. See, I can't pull it, and now I can do, if it's slack, I can do this ratcheting right here and getting it tight. Once it's tight, you pull it down to that position, and now it will not go. You say, well, this is up, it could always go down. No, you cannot push it down. This is the lock that holds it in that tight position. So no matter what goes on here, this little part right here is in the teeth and will not allow it to release. Now, when you're ready to release, you push on this red button right here and push down, and there, see, you can release it. And then you can take it loose. We're going to see the full demonstration actually working in just a moment now. And it's a really good system. This is the first time I've seen this type of cargo strap. And this is the VEVOR heavy duty cargo trailer. And this is going to be what I put my groceries in when I go to the grocery store. And if I want to secure this down from the top flopping up or it bouncing out or what have you, this will be a great product to have to strap it down. And now we can demonstrate how to use this. It's a good view. Now, this is the fixed side right here. I can show you that this will fit over the bar here and hold it. It just compresses this little catch. And now it's in the release position all the way down. And now I can just click her over here. This one the same way. Go over here. And I can click that on. It's relaxed, so now I can pull this up. There. Now it's in the lock position right there. I can't do anything, but now I'm ready to ratchet. So I can just ratchet this up and pull all the way down and then up as tight as I want it. And then when I got it tight enough, then I can stop and put it in this position. And it's in the safe position where the only way this is going to release is pushing that button. And it's down inside, so it's kind of protected. Now this one, I'll do the same thing. Pull up, push on that to release it, and then lock her down as much as I need. I don't need it too much because this is soft. Okay, push it down. They're in the locked position right now. So now this top isn't going to come up. It's not going to come out of the trailer. That's how easy it is. Now, when I'm ready to take it loose, like I need to put my groceries in it, just a matter of pushing this, push all the way down. Then I can do this, and this one the same way. Push down, all the way down, pull, pull, and they're ready to store. I want to store all of this, so I can put the straps in first, down at the bottom. And you can just put this around like this and pop them in there. I'll put them in like that. And I'm just setting them in there. And this will go in there. And this one will go to that. Just enough room. Okay, there you go. And it looks like you could put it on your back if you were camping or something or other and you need to take them somewhere, or hang them up. This is a good hanging strap, and you're ready to go. Okay, I have a place to put them. Cargo carrier on the back of my scooter. Folks, this is going to be very helpful on the car. Also, I have a luggage rack up there that I can secure things that I need to go to the hardware store and pick up and strap to the top of the car that won't fit inside. These straps are going to work great. And already they'll be great, a couple of them, for my scooter trailer. The cargo trailer, and hold my cooler lid down and onto the trailer. All right, I want to thank you very much for watching my video.